Hi guys, welcome back to another video. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం సొంతి కొట్టుకుపోతున్నాం. ఈ వీడియోలో అయినా కొట్టగలుగుతారో కొట్టలేను. నేనేనా కలెక్షన్ కొట్టుంటే 20 వచ్చిందంట గైస్. ఓకే ఓకే 4 only guys, just 4 only. 4 seconds call 1 2 3 4. Okay. Okay.
Next up, we got the woman lover himself, Noyo. Otherwise known as the head of the hay. But the first move being projection breaker. Here we go. Projection breaker, and no, here we go. What about bleed out? Bleed out? Nope. This is strikes. Here we go. After 3 times. Oh, ooh! That actually reached. I'm surprised. Okay, this is the strikes actually passed level 1. On to level 2. Boom. And
what the
I don't think his strike is reaching this one.
Time got to the 20. So phone in the height transmission up. Half-lane crack rala. That's all of this someone put the guys. Put 27 phone guys there. Second time to run.
On to level 3. Once again, top speed. Fly through. And ooh, look at that dummy.
Anukona.
Touches him like I kiss him, but it doesn't hit himself. Next up we got flash freezing. Here we go. Flash freezing. Alright, that's the range. And yeah, not that far now. If we combine flash we should get further range. There we go. Perfect. Alright, on to level 4. Once again, flash freezing. Top speed. Here we go.
Yeah, got it.
There we go. I guess William quickly moves on to the final level. Alright, once again we do flash and then top speed. Boom. Fly through. Hit it reaches. Ooh, he barely hits it. Wow. And if y'all don't know the
Okay, bye guys. Last work వచ్చేసింది.